people are making money using AI every single day, and some are earning more than 50,000 rupees per month. In this video, I'll show you 5 real ways to make money with AI, even if you're a complete beginner. AI is changing the way we work, and the best part is, you don't need coding skills or experience. All you need is the right tools and the right method. Method 1. YouTube automation. The first way to make money with AI is YouTube automation. You can use AI to write scripts, create voiceovers, generate videos, design thumbnails, then earn from YouTube ads, affiliate links, sponsorships. Income potential: 10,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month. Method 2. Freelancing with AI. The second way is freelancing using AI tools. You can offer services like content writing, resume creation, social media posts, blog writing, platforms, Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. Income potential: 15,000 to 80,000 rupees per month. Method 3. Selling AI digital products. The third way is selling digital products created with AI. Examples: ebooks, templates, study notes, social media designs. You can sell on Gumroad, Etsy, Notion Marketplace. Income potential: 20,000 rupees to 1,50,000 rupees per month. Method 4. Affiliate marketing with AI. The fourth way is affiliate marketing using AI. You can create blog posts, make YouTube videos, write product reviews, and earn commission when people buy. Income potential: 5,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees per month. Method 5. AI content creation for businesses. The fifth way is creating content for businesses using AI. Businesses need social media posts, product descriptions, email marketing content. You can charge 3,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees per client. AI is not just a tool, it's an opportunity. The earlier you start, the faster you grow. If you want more videos about making money with AI, subscribe to the channel, because the future belongs to people who use AI.